What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we got some information in from the Shib team letting us know that they are cooking right now. So a lot of people getting impatient, getting riled up with things taking a little bit of time to play out, especially as we see the overall market pulling back right now. That had to hurt. I know a lot of people we were all praying and hoping that the market stayed above that $1.2 trillion market cap level, but it did dip down. So that did signify that there's likely some bearish territory to come in for the short term. But let's take a look at this right here, this post from Lucy Shib saying we are cooking something. Follow on YouTube. So now they have the YouTube official Shibarium tech page. So we're going to check that out in a second here, but let's take a look at this graphic they have. So use hashtag of summer of Shibarium. So they're really trying to push this summer of Shibarium wave right now campaign. So I'm gonna start tagging that in a few things just to have some more content under that umbrella for the Shib army. We got to do as much as our parts as possible to spread awareness and I don't want to say convince people, but just give people understanding of Shiba Inu, so that way they can check it out for themselves and determine if they want to join the fam with us. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this page here. Okay, so we got the official Shibarium Tech YouTube page. So here it is right here. We can see 4 videos so far, all uploaded within the last 24 hours. So one video of the Shibarium Tech logo, another one of it in a different color, all gold. The first one like a neon green. And then we got the second video. I'm not sure what this one is, so let's check it out. Okay, so just basically a little promo, getting everybody ready for Shibarium, showing the little marbles moving through a system. I guess it's supposed to be like a representation of how perfect or smooth Shibarium is going to basically be running. But then we got the Shibarium basic information video. Let's mute that just in case it's copyrighted. So what is Shibarium? It says Shibarium Tech, scalability, privacy, faster transactions, flexible and adaptable. Gas fee token is bone. Benefits of using Shibarium. Then they threw a leash up there. Key benefits: security, decentralization, transparency, cost effective, and efficiency. Welcome to Shibarium. Shibarium proof of stake chain, speed, scalability, flexibility, and simplicity. Cost: send, receive, and store your assets on the Shibarium network with the Shibarium wallet. So you're gonna need the Shibarium wallet. So that's interesting to see. They're gonna have their own wallet coming out. So Shibarium bridge for cross-network withdrawals and deposits. Staking with Shibarium. Staking get rewards. What did I say right there? Staking get rewards for staking. So ETH plus Shibarium bridge mints the same number of tokens 1-to-1 as the peg token, as a peg token when the ETH leaves the ETH network. This could be me not knowing how to read right now, y'all, but I think they made a error here. So let's try to read that again. ETH plus Shibarium bridge mints the same number of tokens 1-to-1 as a peg token when leaves the ETH network. Okay, so they mixed that up right there, but we still understand what they mean. So in order to move tokens back to the Ethereum network, they are burned on the Shibarium network and unlocked on the Ethereum network during the process. Okay, making sure they're not duplicating coins or making more just the same money isn't being counted twice, basically. So fundamentals of Shibarium architecture, Heimdall board contracts, security models, proof of stake, SEC, plasma security, hybrid plasma plus POS, she burns. I wish they would have had a little bit more breakdown of the shib burns in there. Every transaction on Shibarium will burn shib, so they did mention that. Thank you for watching. So check out some of the comments. It's wonderful. I will buy more shib. The question is still, what can you use it for? Best crypto technology made ever. Simply amazing. Very nice. Summer of Shibarium. Let top. I love shib to the moon. Top. Let's make the world a better place for Shibarium. So, you know, you see people excited in the community about it. Let's see what people on Lucy's page are saying. Mike Sheep said, I can smell it with the rock meme. Place Bo said a soup is cooking. Will Major said, wow, that says it all. Way to go, Sheep. Tech is offering the entire community. Okay, this is a promo right there. Somebody trying to sneak in and shield something. But the smell of cooking soup is often a calming one. Awesome. LFG. I think another big part of adoption will be training the masses. Could that be done through this YouTube channel, or should I create my own? Already following. Great news. Real question. Someone please explain what happens when the amount of burnt tokens reaches the holders' wallets. How do we keep burning tokens that have been purchased and held? Seems like it'll catch up quick. I'm not sure exactly what he's asking, but someone says, oh, it won't be that quick. There would need to be some serious trading going on, burning fees. Keep in mind, as shib price goes up, it'll be burning less and less too. Mastermind replied and said, that really doesn't answer the question. What happens at that point when there are no more tokens to burn because they are all remaining or are being held / owned? I'm lost over this. Okay, so I see what his question is. He's basically saying, you know, how could we continue to burn tokens, you know, beyond the point of what people are holding? So it will basically be impossible. There will always be tokens that get bought and sold and pushed out to the open market. You know, there will always be tokens that are, you know, circulating or, you know, being exchanged. So right there, that's going to always happen. Now, as far as the tokens that people are holding, it's going to be harder and harder to burn more tokens as Shibarium goes on, because the price of each token is going to become more and more expensive. So it's going to start burning less percentage of each token, or smaller amount of each, batch that is burning due to that increased price. So let's just say, for instance, it's burning, just throwing a number out there, for a million tokens is burning X amount, or for X amount of dollars is burning 1 million tokens. That same amount of dollars is going to burn less and less tokens as time goes on. So eventually, we'll be burning a fraction of a coin if it gets too expensive. So it'll never be able to fully just burn everything. And then again, people are always going to sell because the price is going to go up. People are going to want to take profit. And once they sell, that'll put tokens back into circulation. So that's all we got for this video. Let's take a quick look at Shiba Inu's price, y'all. This one hurt when I seen it. Obviously nothing major, but just, we were hoping that we held above that $1.2 trillion market cap level. Right now with us dipping under that, it shows that we could enter some bear territory, and they could possibly drag us under for a little bit. We might pull under for, the next, week or so. Unless, also we do got that Fed meeting tomorrow, where they're going to talk about if they're raising interest rates. So I think the market can likely be pricing that in, for a hike in interest rates, or something on a macro level like that taking place. But eventually we will get to where we need to go. It's just going to be, drug out just a little bit longer. So Bitcoin under 30,000, 29,165. And also remember, if something else bullish comes out, another major catalyst on a macro level, we could pop right above that 2 level. And if we get some momentum, we can go up to that next support, which is sitting above that $2.5 trillion level. So again, Bitcoin at 29,163, Ethereum at 1850, XRP number 4 by market cap, 70 cent, down 4.9% in the last 24 hours. So we see we got a red day all through here. Notice all the red. That's gonna happen, y'all. It's normal. You see green days, you see red days. The red days just don't feel as good as the green days. But BNB 238. USDC, and that's unless you're buying a dip. If you're looking to buy the dip on certain assets, then yeah, red days do feel better because now you're getting to accumulate at a cheaper price. But if you already got your bags packed and everything, then yeah, we just be wanting to see those green days. But Cardano at 30 cent, Doge at 7 cent, Solana 23.34, Tron at 8 cent, Matic at 72 cent, Litecoin 89.16. So Litecoin really pulled back 4% today. In the red, we got DOT at 521, down 3.3%. Time coin at 140. down 4%. And then we got BCH at 238, down 4.5%. Avalanche at 1311, down 3%. Then we got SHIB at that 7661 level, down 2.6% in the last 24 hours, and down 2.3% on the week, sitting at a $4.5 billion market cap with 139 million in volume in the last 24. So, things still looking, bright for us. The SHIB team letting us know they're cooking. Like someone mentioned in the comments, it could be a tutorial channel, which they teach people how to use Shibarium, how to use all the utilities or how to build things inside of Shibarium, or just how to, operate the blockchain, just an informational channel, which is, helpful because a lot of people get stuck on certain things and people go to YouTube to find out, how to do these things. So I think it's good that the team has an official channel, even though we will be covering a lot of these things on this channel as well here. So make sure you are subscribed, you got on notifications. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. And